strongly disagree because if you get a little bit too obsessed with online games, your eyes can get pretty blurry and it will damage your eyesight.
Okay, it would damage the eyes. All right.
Yes. Yes.
And what about origami? What does it do to your eyes? Does it harm your eyes?
No, it doesn't. Origami doesn't harm our eyes.
It only has benefits, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, do
It
you have
can
any
make
other benefits you would like to share? Because your team is running low on benefits, Aisha. So far, you guys only have 2 main benefits. There's so many other benefits. What else can you say?
Origami helps develop hand-eye coordination. The use of the hand directly stimulates areas of the brain. Origami is used in various therapeutic settings, including art therapy and in stroke and injury rehabilitation.
Okay, very good. It is therapeutic, right? It can release stress, all right? Especially if you are actually really distracted and you're actually practicing to focus. Good job, Aisha. Aisha and Himani's team, you guys can also talk about addiction. Do you think you can get addicted to origami as much as getting addicted to online games? No, right? Online games can be highly addictive. You can say that points later. Let's move on to the last speaker, Yuan Xuan. Save your team. Why do you think online games is better than origami?
Origamis will waste a lot of papers, and if they make mistakes, they must redo everything again, and they will waste more papers that they could have used to do other things like practice their writing skills or something.
Okay, Yuan Shen has a very strong point. She actually said, hold up. Origami can actually waste a lot of paper. You know what that means? It means it's not environmental friendly. Paper means you're cutting down the trees. What a very strong point from Yuan Xuan. So I'm going to give Aisha and Himani one last round. Okay, would you like to say anything else? Because Yuan Xuan has a strong point. Think about it. What would you like to say about online games? Can you talk about?
I will wear glasses, so.
Okay, but you've already spoken about eyes. What else? Think about the disadvantages of online games.
Online games aren't really suitable for any ages. And origami is suitable for all ages, and it gives us sequencing skills, spatial skills, mouth reasoning, and it trains our memory.
Okay, good. She's saying that, hold up, online games, if you invite your mom, your grandfather to play online games, do you think they would enjoy? They might not understand the specs of it, right? But origami is a simple activity that all ages can enjoy. Am I right? I'm sure if you had a grandfather or a grandmother, they can also enjoy origami. You give a little kid, he or she can also enjoy origami. Good point, Aisha.